We have a unique adapter plate for every single microscope in serial production. My name is Johannes Grimm and I'm responsible for the operational excellence team at the Carl Zeiss Optical Components. We are producing digital microscopes, different multisensoric machines and optical sensors. And this microscope is measuring machines of flat parts. You can measure features like circles or distances for industrial quality assurance. The adapter plate in the digital microscope is used to align a specific foil, which is necessary for a very good measurement. Because every foil is unique and therefore every microscope has a unique 3D printed part inside. We make a lot of these microscopes. We choose to 3D print that part because for the assembly process it is very stable. It's much cheaper than a traditional way with bracket and adjustment screws. And for a customer, and that's the important thing, is for example for a replacement of a spare part, because they have only tightened a few screws to replace a very important part and then he's able to operate again. This was expensive, around about 300 euros per machine, and with this new way of manufacturing we are able to reduce the cost to 20 euro per part and saves additionally a lot of money. With the help of 3D printing we are able to decrease the lead time from months to days. Because of these decreased lead times, you are able to do more cycles and therefore the quality is also increased. Also Ultimaker is chosen because these machines are reliable and the results are repeatable. That's important for us for a stable production process. Nowadays we see an increasing number of individual machines for individual customer needs, and 3D printing helps us to meet these individual requirements from our customers.